This is the day in the life of a camera operator, where I will vlog myself walking around Chester as I take B-roll footage of the River Dee in Hambridge. But before we start shooting, we need to fuel ourselves so we have sharp judgment. So let's head to Greg's to get some food. I just end up getting 2 sausage rolls and 2 drinks for me and my camera operator. And now that we've got food, let's head to the first location.
Always throw your rubbish in the bin, don't litter.
Make sure that you're always travelling light, you don't ever want to lose anything. The only thing I really ever carry on me is a camera, a tripod and a laptop. That's all I carry, just to make sure that I'm always light, so if I ever need to carry extra stuff like drinks or food, I'm always able to without issue. As you can see, I'm setting up the tripod, putting it down on the spot I want to film in Hambridge. Make sure you screw the bottom of the base plate in correctly, or else the camera could fall. I put it the wrong way around, make sure you don't do that. Make sure you set your white balance to the right tone. I went for daylight, as that's the kind of vibe I was going for. Makes it kind of warm. As you can see, I'm adjusting the focus, the exposure and the ISO. All of these are quite important to a video. So now I just take my shot. It would have been a video, but I didn't have the bigger card on me, so I just took some pictures for an example.
Go into the shop, get a pack of bags, you know. Need a light to be able to do this properly, so let's go ahead and get that started. Got a pack of bags. Let's get one lit up then. Remember, don't throw your rubbish on the floor. Let's go.
So what does a camera operator actually do? Well, we are responsible for capturing what's going on essentially. Camera operators are not in control of the creative direction of the shot, rather we are in control of what action is captured in the 4 lines of the frame. We also assemble and disassemble camera rigs for shoots. We must pay attention for detail while multitasking and collaborating with the rest of the production team. It can be a hard job, but it's very important and it must be done correctly for the final product to look correct. We're now approaching for our final shoot. We've just gone a little bit over the bridge because I saw a cool ripple in the water that I wanted to photograph. So here we are again, setting up our tripod. Unfortunately, this tripod just about wasn't tall enough to reach over the green bar, so it's a little bit in the shot, but we had to make do. As you can see, I just get some shots of the water, you know. Most important part of using DSLR cameras is that you need to ingest the footage to a computer to be able to edit or upload it. Right now, it's on the camera, so let's transfer the footage over. Take your SD card and place it in the reader before putting it in your laptop as shown here. I was able to copy the footage which you can see on screen, but without an internet connection, Adobe Photoshop refused to open, let alone do anything. But it is transferred over and you will be able to edit it if you're at home. And yeah, this is day of the life of a camera operator.